I got exactly 0.5 Solana in my trading wallet, which is about $50 and 1 hour and a half to turn it into as much money as possible trading meme coins. I'll be showing all of my trades in real time so you can see both wins and losses, and most importantly, I'll be explaining my thought process along the way. So by watching this video until the end, you'll be able to gain priceless trading experience as if you're trading by yourself without actually risking your own money. And most importantly, you'll see if it's actually possible to make money trading meme coins with a small portfolio in today's market. Let's get into it. As you can see, the volume is decent. Today is Memescope Monday. And tomorrow is gonna be Top Blast Tuesday, Kris Jenner. Everyone in China is turning Kris Jenner into a profile pic and it's becoming one of the biggest profile pic calls in China. Don't know if I believe that. I haven't seen it on my feed at all. And the community only has one member and it's the dev. Alright, let's quickly throw in 0.4 into this coin, this language, because it was tweeted by Radium. And as we all know, Radium tweets are really powerful, especially now with the Asian meta. Alright, I say we sell 100% here. What's our PNL? Like we held it for 2 minutes. Maybe I rushed a bit. But we made 0.1 Solana. So we're, up 13 bucks on this one. That was a pretty good execution here. Top blasted here a bit. Should have probably waited for a little dip. So here at around 65k, the entry would have been ideal. And we sold the top, which is obviously great. And I ended up quickly translating the tweet. And the tweet says, return to the meme. And for the Memescope Monday meta, like bringing back the old volume, the old memes, the old way of trading meme coins in general. So yeah, solid narrative, especially for today. And by the way, this coin was called out in my alpha tracker at 65k market cap. Its all-time high was around 120k, so a solid 2x. Basically what this tracker does, it scans multiple alpha groups in Telegram, on Discord, and automatically sends all the contract addresses that are shared in those groups here. And again, you can find the Discord link in the description below, but do not click it yet. Aren't you interested how much money you'll be able to make with only 0.5 Solana? I really like this ONG coin. Why I think it will do well? Again, it's Memescope Monday, and the main influencer, the main KOL that promoted Memescope Monday was Orangey. And I'm pretty sure Memescope Monday is not gonna turn out too well for some people, because once again, Memescope Monday is probably just a day to onboard a lot of new traders. And at the beginning, all those traders are probably gonna be unprofitable, because that's how meme coins work. You have to lose a bit of money to start becoming profitable. And by the way, all this video is just for educational purposes and it's not financial advice. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that by the end of the day, we're gonna have a lot of Orangey haters that would want to buy this ONG coin, because I'm pretty sure that it's not the best picture of Orangey. You know what we can do? Because I think it's gonna be like a slow cook. So I guess we can just throw in 0.2 Sol. The fact that we're top blasting here doesn't really matter, because this is gonna be a pretty long hold. At least I'm gonna hold this coin at least for like 40 minutes, at least for 1 hour. That's a long hold for me, guys. I usually just flip coins within 5 to 10 minutes. Today has been a disappointment. Just goes to show nothing ever happens. 1 week ago, we had optimistic meta. Today, we have pessimistic meta. This dip here was a really great opportunity and I fumbled it. Let's go and find some other coins. As you can see, I'm trading on a brand new platform called Trench.com. And right now, it's invite only, so not everyone can even get on it. But if you use my link in the description, you instantly unlock access and get 20% of all trading fees for life, which is honestly huge. To put that into perspective, something like Axiom gives only 10% off, so you're literally getting 2 times the discount here. And the interesting part is that this platform is still in beta, so it's evolving day by day, which means if you start using it and something is missing or something could be improved, you can go straight to my Discord. There's a dedicated channel for Trench and you can suggest features directly to the devs. And if it actually makes sense, they will quickly implement it. And it gets even better. Everyone in my Discord gets a 30% fee discount for life, which is honestly insane compared to everything out there. Both the Discord and the platform links are in the description. Enough talking. Let's try to make some money. 0.3 into this rosy coin. The narrative is extremely questionable. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to show it on YouTube. It seems to be true, unfortunately. It seems to be generating some volume. But I was really late to this coin. I saw it around here and then I was waiting for some reason. Again, I fumbled my entry, but we're in the green anyways. Okay, it's at 120k now. We're up around 0.2 Sol. I say we sell it here. Let's just sell 100% here. Again, we made 0.16 Sol, identical to the previous one. How's the Orangey coin doing? How many minutes have passed? 20 minutes have passed after I bought this coin, like half an hour. We're pretty much still sitting at our entry position. I was hoping for it to be a bit more active than that, so I'll probably just sell it off. So in total, we're now up around 0.3 Solana from 2 trades. What is this Chad coin? Oh shit, I remember I saw it in the alpha calls as well. 1 second, let's check. Androgen, where is it? A lot of calls today, obviously. Oh wow, here it is. All-time high, 200k. Another one, as we say, another one. You're one good trade away from changing your entire life. Another tweet Now it's from Bonk. The account is not as big as Radium, like the first coin we bought, but still, I think it's a decent narrative. One coin away, or like you're one trade away, has always been a decent narrative. Let's throw in 0.3 Solana. I don't want to throw 0.8 into this one because I'm not that certain in this narrative. This one is definitely going to be a quick flip. My exit strategy is around 20k. So as soon as it reaches 20k, hopefully it does, I am immediately selling. You can obviously set a limit order like I usually do, but this time I just want to manually sell. Okay. Great. Okay, we're up 0.2 on this one. This is the best one so far. But what I try to do always when I enter a coin, I try to approximately see where I'm gonna exit. And if you tell yourself you're gonna exit, you're gonna exit. USDC, United States Dog Coin. You're introducing dog coins for 2027 on official.gov website. That will be commemorating canine dogs of the US Army that will be used as official currency. If that's real, wow, if that's real, I mean, yeah, it's probably real because it's at 100k already. Okay, I was right. And Orangey coin ended up graduating today. It wasn't the one that we bought. Wow, it's at 100k already. 150k. Okay, I gotta close this because I'm getting a bit too jealous that I didn't buy this. That feeling when you know that the narrative is gonna do well, but you buy the wrong coin, gotta be one of the worst feelings as a meme coin trader. To be fair, I don't really want to force trades just for the sake of it. I have only 4 minutes left from the 1 hour and a half I had for this challenge. I've doubled my account balance, so let's call it a day. Trading with a small port in 2026 is tough, but it's definitely possible. At the start, you will lose. Everyone does. The only thing that matters is this. Keep your risk small, stay in the game, and actually learn from every single mistake instead of repeating it. If you've got good videos ideas, make sure you drop them down in the comment section below because I actually read them and I actually use them. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe, and I really hope to see you in the next one.